Welcome to Procedureflow's Art of the Flow series. This short video explains how to access, view, and create change requests in Procedureflow. In Procedureflow, contributors have the ability to create new flows or edit existing flows. The first step is to create a change request. There are two ways to create a change request. Click on the Draft button, or select the down arrow beside the Edit Flow button and select In a New Change Request. We recommend the first method and will demonstrate why in a few minutes. Before creating a change request, it is best to have a good idea of the changes you're looking to make and to try to keep the scope of your changes small. By clicking Draft in the top menu bar, you'll notice two things. The slide area turns yellow, and you are brought to the Change Request page. The Change Request page provides an overview of all of the change requests in the entry point. You can filter to view all of the entry point change requests in the following big buckets. By assignee, which shows who the change request is assigned to, or by state, which means the status of the change request. The possible states are open, which include those that are still a work in progress, those that are declined, change requests that have been sent back to the contributor requesting additional changes, and those that are pending approval. You can also filter this page to view the published change request. And finally, you can select to view all change requests regardless of state. To prevent conflicts, it is very important to review the change requests that are open to ensure that someone else has not already begun to work on or submitted the same change that you plan to make. This is the main reason why we recommend creating a change request using the Draft button, as it directs you to the change request page, allowing you to review all the open change requests to help avoid potential duplicate or conflicting changes before they occur. Now let's select the New Change Request button. You are then presented with a page requiring you to give your change request a title. It is very important to choose a title for your change that accurately describes the change you intend to make. However, if the changes you actually make in your change request differ from your title as you're drafting your flows, there is the option to update this title later. Once you've given it a title, select Start Change Request. You are then brought into the Change Request container. This container houses all activity associated with the change request that you have initiated. In every change request container, there is a header section and three different tabs: the Overview, Flows, and Changes tab. In the header, you will see the status of the change request, when it was created, and by who. The Overview tab will list all the activities the change request will go through during its life cycle. This section will track any and all movement between change request creation and being published. To begin to make your changes, select the Flows tab. Navigate to the flow where you would like to begin making your changes. Then, on the right-hand side of the page, select the Edit Flow button. You're now on the editing canvas. You can make changes to your existing flows or create new ones as needed. When you're finished, click Save to save your changes. Then click the X on the top right-hand side of the screen and you're back in your change request container. Your change request is now ready to be submitted for approval. And that's it. Creating a change request is simple, and it's how Procedureflow allows editing to occur without impacting the live version of the flows while changes are being made. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the other videos in the Art of the Flow series.